Yes, me people. Sometimes we not know if we plant nothing. Because everything we planting at the ground, the animal them come and eat it out. It's very easy to plant something, don't it? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, it's all about I'm gonna plant a pepper, a sweet pepper into a jug, end up somewhere. Stick and stay to see what's coming. Where it gonna plant, no goat, no animal can't go to that location. Alright? Stick and stay, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright, me viewers, say me have the camera, but me can't go for the tripod now. Me have to just, work it this way. Alright, me have a jug here, yeah? Going to clean up the jug and cut it to where I want it, tie a cord on it to hang. Stick and stay. Yes, me people. This is it. Cut off the bottom of the jug. Get a piece of cord, bore two hole one here. One round this side. This is the way it's going to tie up. Alright, my people. So right now I'm gonna mix some soil to put inside here. So I'm going to get some sawdust and some ashes and some burnt dirt from the fireside to mix inside here, because I'm gonna plant the pepper from here, turn it upside down, then me throw the soil in. So once I throw the soil in, I'm gonna water it from up here. So it's going to get the water, so it's going to grow and turn up in the air after and grow on the side. Stick and stay to see what's coming next. Yes, my people, as you see here, I have some sawdust inside here. Yeah, don't know if it is too much, but I have some sawdust inside here. So I need some burn dirt from the fireside, yeah, to throw on here. Don't know if I'm going to get enough, but I'm gonna get some dirt from here to mix in there to throw into the buckle onto the pepper sucker. Alright, stick and stay. So yes, my viewers, the sawdust is to keep the water into the soil. The soil is the moisture for the root, for the plants, and the burn dirt from the fire is the fertilizer. Alright, the next step is to find a pepper plant that I'm going to use inside there. I sow some seed here lately. I don't remember what I saw here, but I saw some seed lately. That is it. So I'm going to find a pepper sucker inside here that I can plant inside that jug and watch it grow. Whoa, can't find a big size one. But I have to find one. My people. Yeah? Fine, even a little one. Alright, I'm gonna take the big one out here, the biggest one out here. Yeah? Alright, my viewers, I'm gonna use this one here. Alright? So stick and stay, my viewers. Before I had the dirt in the buckle, I have to put in the sucker. But I have to get something here to stop the dirt from coming out. So I'm gonna get a piece of sponge to put right around here and put the pepper sucker in the middle and then put in the dirt inside here. Alright? Alright, this is how it looks. Yeah. So each time I water it, the water is going to come through the sponge. So as you can see, the root is up in the air upside down. I'm going to take my little time and put the dirt around it, the soil around it. Alright, until I carry the soil about 3/4 inside here. So as you can see, the plant is upside down. But soon as it started to catch root, it's going to turn to the side to go up, because it's going to grow up. You know what I mean? Yeah. and it's gonna stay inside this little pan here and bare. So I'm gonna bore some hole around here so that the water can run out. Alright? Just my viewers, we can't plant anywhere, man. I just lazy and we don't want to plant. We love run to the market every second. Suppose we don't have no money. The little money there you're gonna use buy a paper, you can use it buy something else. Don't it? Stick and stay, man. Yeah, man. Try to bore it, but it is very hard to bore. You notice the top of the jug here is very tough. It is very hard to bore. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I get my solder gun. Yeah, man, you know, see, I have a whole heap of different type of solder gun. I have solder gun for all different type of work. You know what I mean? If you notice, this solder gun is a fine point solder gun. You know, it go inside that little small corner of the circuit. You know what I mean? I have a next one with a very big point. Yeah, I use that to solder big wires. You know what I mean? I have a next little one that finer than this one. That is the one that I use on the phone or the tablet, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one now to bore some holes inside the jug here. Yeah, I wonder if it's hot yet. It's not hot yet. It needs to hot. Look at the light inside of it. Yeah, the light inside that, man, it's so hot. Alright, my people, stick and stay. Yeah, tips. What do you think about this plant? What do you think about this plant? You think it can work? I don't understand it. What do you mean it's going to dry up? What do you mean it's going to dry up? No, it's going to dry up, man. Yeah, as you can see the holes them. Yeah. So when I water the plants, the water that escape through those holes is the water that's overflowing in the pan. You know what I mean? Because you don't know people don't love water to that. So now and then when I give it the little water, yeah, that's it. So yes, my viewers, you know me always, I tell you to plant something. Yeah, because if you watch my channel, you know, if you always watching my videos and you don't plant anything at home, you're not learning. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know me always tell you to plant something. It's good to plant something. So right now, if you're going to tell me say the goat them will come and eat it down, it is very easy and simple. Run a line. Yeah, run a line inside the yard or somewhere and hang these up. You're gonna hang these up like this with the soil inside there and the plant through the cork there. Yeah, it's gonna grow, it's gonna turn up. Don't worry about the upside down. After it catch and start to grow, it's going to turn up in the air and it's going to bear same place. Alright, stick and stay. Watch this 2 months after now. You will see. I'm gonna give you the update, alright? Stick and stay, my viewers. Okay, my viewers, this is the plant. This is the plant. This is the hang. Alright, I hang it on this line here. So, right now, I have 4 cucumber seeds here in my hand. And I'm gonna make the top right waste. And I'm gonna plant them up top here. When the cucumber them start to run, put it up here, run 2 on this line. Run 2 this way. It is 4 seed. Alright? So yes, my viewers, we can't sit down and look, man. We have to plant something. So yeah, this is my way of planting without the animal them catch it. You understand? So you just run a line inside the garden or anywhere. You know? The reason why I put it here, I need little of the sunlight to reach it. So yeah, that's the reason why I plant it here. So I'm gonna give it some of the fish water right now. Yeah, I'm gonna give it some of the fish water right now to get it miley and moisture and, you know, nice. Make the pepper get a little bit of fish water. Alright? Stick and stay, there's a lot more to come, my viewers. Plant something. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. And when I say Jamaican Farmers Hut, once you watch our video here on Jamaican Farmers Hut, you have to learn something and you have to plant something. You know what I mean? Stick and stay. Alright, I plant those seeds. Plant those cucumber seeds up here. So soon as those cucumber seeds started to burst and started to show, I'm gonna do a review on that and show you guys. So right now, I'm gonna get some fish water. I'm gonna get some fish water. Look here, my viewers, these are my fish. These are my fish here. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to get some fish water. Yesterday I changed my fish water yesterday, so that's the reason why it don't look that green. Alright. So yeah, this is the first time we're gonna get water. So it might take a lot, you know, to wet everything. But yeah. This is what's going to happen. Yeah. So you know the next time when I'm giving it water, I'm not gonna give it so much. I'm not gonna give it so much water, you know what I mean? Yeah, just gonna wet it a little. Alright. So yes, my viewers, we can plant anyway. Let me give you in my Trinidad friend words. Make I give you in that words. Yes, my viewers, we can plant anyway. Yes, we can plant anyway. It is very easy and simple to plant something. Yes. Alright? Yeah man, very easy to plant something. Yeah. My little garden this, you know. Yeah, right now I replant my pepper. So you don't know. I'm started to sprout back now, grow. It is time for them to blossom. But you don't know, me still have tomato here. Yeah. My lime plant is bursting a lot of sprout. As you can see, my little tomato that I plant underneath here, it is almost passing the banana plant. Yeah. My callaloo, them I cut callaloo recently, you know, so them started to sprout back. I tell you man, trust me, you have to plant something, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, I'm gonna watch this to see it grow and then give you guys an update on it. Yeah. Alright? Yeah man, Jamaican farmers. It's all about plant something, my people. We can plant anyway. Even inside the kitchen we can plant something. See? See. Yes, my viewers, this is one day after the new experiment of planting vegetables. Alright? Yes, as I said before, there are cucumbers plant up here, but I plant a callaloo sucker right here. Yeah, waiting on it to catch. Alright, underneath here it is a pepper, sweet pepper, bell pepper sucker. And as you can see, it bent and started to grow. Oh, yeah. Yeah man, as you can see, it bent, started to go up, so it's gonna grow and come out to the side and go up to the side. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it some water now, here from the fish tank, and leave it to catch properly. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, as I said before, there's a lot of different ways you can plant something, you know what I mean? So yes, if you're going into the soil where the animals are destroying you, yeah, you can make a line or somewhere where you can hang these jugs with dirt inside here and plant something. Alright, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut. So you see it on Jamaican Farmers Hut, alright? Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? So my name is Ever Slick. Peace. I'm gonna be out.